The things that I experienced for my first 3 months of care was, first of all, education. Dr. Blue had explained to me what was going on with my body and how this treatment could help me out. And he also explained, for me it was very important, that this is probably going to take some time because the body would take time to readjust itself. So not only was I getting treatment, but I was getting an education too. I probably started to see results about 3 months after I began care. It didn't seem to do anything for the first couple of months, but Dr. Blue had urged me to be patient. So I stuck along with the program, and little by little I started to see results until one day, like about 3 months later, I think it was about 3 months later, I didn't feel pain in my wrist anymore. And over the course of time, I really didn't feel pain in my wrist anymore, and that's when I really knew that the program had worked. The things that I regained is that I can now use my right hand. And since I'm right-handed, that's pretty important. I'm an engineer by trade, so yes, writing, drawing, sketching, things like this. But also in the activities that I participate in my life, I enjoy working out. And now I could do the very simple things that I couldn't do before, like Olympic lifting and some body weight exercises, things like this, that I couldn't even do a simple push-up before. But now I can do push-ups all day. Well, I can't do push-ups all day long, but I have the ability to, well, I don't have to worry about pain anymore when I want to do it. For me, it didn't seem like it was logical to come to someone who practices the kind of medicine that Dr. Blue does for this. But it worked out, and it worked out pretty good. I'm very thankful that Dr. Blue was educating me along the way so that I could exercise patience and not quit halfway and just work it all the way through until I finally realized what I was looking for. I've shared the upper cervical story with as many people as I could, my friends, and more importantly, my wife. It's because my wife had this vertigo problem. It was getting bad. She couldn't even get out of bed properly. And I recommended for months and months and months. She, of course, didn't listen to me. However, one day she did, and of course, I'll let her tell her story, but it turned out pretty good.